first heard it, there's an album by a jazz artist called Charlie Hayden that he made in I think 1970. And he made an album of songs that were all from the Spanish Civil War. So that's where I heard about that. And I was thinking there's parallels between the 30s and the 60s and today, you know, with the sort of the political situation and the uncertainty about which way things are going to go. United Front, the way I took it to be is there's people of a like mind that you don't agree on everything, you know, but everyone's coming together. The song's a really old song. It was written by Bertolt Brecht and Hans Eick, these German guys, and they wrote it. It's a socialist song they wrote, and it was used in the Spanish Civil War. You know, I was just reading about what happened in Barcelona during the Civil War. You know, the anarchists and the communists spent as much time fighting each other as, you know, fighting Franco. And as a result, you end up losing. You know, it's like if people who believe in human rights, you know, who believe in real democracy, you know, if you say I believe in those things, and then, you know, we believe in 80% of the same things, 90% of the same things, you know, we should all be on the same side as opposed to fighting amongst ourselves.